So about Nifty, let's talk. Nifty, I am feeling that if it is closing below this trend line of, it's actually in a resistance zone actually, Nifty. So I feel market will go up and down this week also like this. Uh, like my levels would be somewhere around 10,700. Okay, like this. Okay, 10,700 to 10,850 odd levels. Unless and until it closes below one of these zones with a good volume, I won't take up a trade for Nifty. I am feeling Nifty might might fall, but why it's confusing me is because of Bank Nifty. I will tell you about Bank Nifty. Excuse me. Okay, Bank Nifty. I am feeling it is bullish because it is showing some sorts of rejections in this resistance zone. However, the candle patterns, if you see, the bullish candles are very strong. If you can just see, bullish candles are very strong. Like this candle, it has already engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 candles. This one hour candle has engulfed this last 6 hour candle, which also it's a gap up opening that day. Still, it engulfed this candle. If you see, it has engulfed this one. So what I feel, it Bank Nifty may fall to the levels if it is closing below this 2 how much it is, sorry, 22340. If it is closing well below, okay, this hourly candle, if you can say this hourly candle, if it is closing below this one, I presume that this stock should go, Bank Nifty should go till 2200. That's a 400 point fall nearly, and it may even fall till this 21,850 levels, 400 to 550 points. This is what, and from there it might give a reversal to go up. And if not, if an hourly candle is a good hourly candle like this, if such a closing is happening here, I feel that Bank Nifty should first go to these levels, like 23,000 levels, and again if it is closing above this high 23 or 23,100, if it is closing above that, it should go to these levels of 2400. So that's about 1000 points move, which is very easy to achieve in Bank Nifty. And again, if it is closing above this black line of 24,100 levels, I'm seeing it should go in coming days to 25,000 levels. So I don't know, but Bank Nifty, the candle is suggesting me it is bearish, but uh, the patterns which it is forming, that makes me feel it is bullish. So Nifty as well as Bank Nifty is both in a confusion stage as of now. So might be what I'm expecting is next week it should be going up and down from this zone to here, that is from 22,400 to 2300 again back. So this should happen, might happen, consolidate, or it can give a fall from here to another 400 here. We'll see about Bank Nifty. However, as I said, Axis Bank, I am feeling that it is strong. Also here, Canara Bank also I am feeling that it might go up. Canara Bank I am feeling that it might go up. So that's it. And yeah, so Axis Bank, Canara Bank should go up, and that was my view for Nifty and Bank Nifty. It's a little bit of confusion on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So until and unless there is a good close, there should be good close actually. Until and unless it's a good close, I'm not going to take up a good close. Means if this kind of red candle is formed here and it gives a good close somewhere here, then I'm going to give a short for Nifty, and I'm going to try on stocks which are more of shorting opportunities. And I just wanted to tell about LIC also. LIC, I feel it's a getting weaker. So LIC can, because it's not able to sustain these support zones and it is going on falling down, LIC may go up to these levels of 280 levels, and then it is if it is showing rejections, it can fall down to 260 and maybe even further down to 240. So this also, just LIC also I am keeping in my watch list. If it is giving a like a here it's going up and then showing signs of rejections, and I am going to short this one. So that's my views for this week, coming week, and for coming week, yeah, and maybe coming week for the stocks that I'm planning to trade. And for the next week I will be doing mostly on positional trade. I won't be putting up ideas on intraday, because I will be having some issues next week which hurts my personal issues, which I need to also cope up. So I cannot be sitting in front of the computer. I might not be able to do intraday trading. As and when I do, I will update the ideas. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also please, if you like the way I am doing, you may please also share it with your friends, and comments are always welcome. Always constructive comments are welcome, because everybody is learning from everyone. So please, if you have some other ideas, you can very well, so we can analyze it together, and that's how we can learn. Everybody will learn and grow together. This is what it is. And yeah, and also one more thing I wanted to say, next week also I won't be posting videos every day, but ideas, as and when I do, I will be posting it on my TradingView account. Videos most likely will be on the weekend, I will post. Other than that, this is how mostly I will be doing positional. So thank you very much for having patience to listen to me, and I again wish you a very safe and happy weekend, also a very happy and profitable trading next week and further coming weeks. Enjoy. Please, if you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much, and the trading sailor is out. Bye bye.